Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
It's December and I want it to snow, at least on my computer screen in a browser window like this. So every day until the 24th, I'm going to build upon my little program here and see if I can get a snowy effect. So far, I do have a single snowflake that falls all the way down to the bottom of the screen. When it reaches the bottom, it starts over. Today, I want to see if I can add more snowflakes. The first thing is go to the HTML and simply duplicate this one snowflake. We have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5. 5 snowflakes. The problem is they're all kind of in the same spot. For some weird reason, 2 of them have different Y position, but there should be different X positions here. And when I remember the CSS, all the snowflakes class has a left of 100 pixels, but they should be different. So I really should set them by JavaScript. So how do I do that? I can only select one of the snowflakes with the query selector, and I need to select all of them. Well, there is the document query selector all, where I can select all the snowflake, and I get a list, a node list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 snowflakes. Note that they are numbered from 0 to 4. So if I were to take this one, let's call it a list of flakes, would be the document query selector all of snowflakes, and flakes 1 could then be set to a style left of 90 pixels. See, it moved 10 pixels. So if I could just set all the style left of all the flakes, then they would be next to each other. That is something I'm going to do. And where should I do it? It's not moving, it's not reset. I actually need a function. I need a function more. Let's call it init, because it initializes everything. Function init. And there I take all my flakes from the document, query selector all, snowflake. And then I set the first flake 0 to a style left of, let's just say 50 pixel, and I just say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And set the next one to 100, 150, 200, and 250. And save. Nothing happened. Why not? And it actually told me init is defined but never used. I should call it at the very beginning. I shouldn't really call move as the first thing. I should call init as the first thing. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we just need to get the other 4 moving. How do we do that? Well, we move 1 by selecting it and setting the style. So why not do the same as here and select all of them, and then set not the style left like here, but the style top like here. Let's see if we do that for 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 1, 2, 3. Oops, we need the number 4. And then we don't need to do this anymore. And let's see what happens. Oh, now they all move in unison. Yeah, we have it's very unrealistic snow, but at least we have more than one snowflake moving. There's a lot of problems with this code. This doesn't seem really efficient. There's a lot of repetition. Imagine if we had 300 snowflakes, would have to repeat this line 300 times. Doesn't look very clever. Also, some of you might have noticed that since we only have one y-pos value, all the snowflakes would have to be in a single line. We have to fix those problems, but right now I don't know how to do it, but I do know one thing, and that is I shouldn't have two functions that needs to be called one after the other. Instead, init, the last thing it should do is call the move. So I'm going to remove that from here and going to put it in here and just note to myself, start moving snowflakes. I think it's pretty okay. I have 5 snowflakes moving. Now I just need to optimize it so I can have even more with different values. But that'll be for tomorrow. So right now I'm going to commit as always everything and say 5 flakes falling. And that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll try to make even more snowflakes and pretty up the code a bit. See you then.
Let it snow.